let's see if we can elaborate and explain a little bit to everybody how we can really use LinkedIn and achieve more of our professional goals and use it as a great tool.
Sure. Well, a lot of people think that LinkedIn is social media, but it's actually a business tool, Tyler. And what I
Mhm.
mean by that is it allows us to do business with other people. It allows us to meet people, to network with people like you and I. We live on different sides of the world, and here we are on a YouTube live today talking with each other. So people can meet each other from all over the world, get to know them, and to develop their businesses and their knowledge via LinkedIn, which is one of the things that I just love about it. It's ideal for job hunters to be seen and to find new jobs. And if you have your own business, there are a wealth of opportunities to be able to use LinkedIn to be able to bring in business. But you know what? It's essentially about building visibility and credibility, and both of those lead to trust, which in the world today is a more and more valuable commodity.
All right, excellent. And you said if you're a business owner, you could use LinkedIn as a great tool to kind of grow your business. You care to elaborate maybe just a little bit on that for us?
Sure. Yeah, company pages are a great way for businesses to be able to get organic reach and to be seen by a wider audience. Anybody can have a company page. It's absolutely free. It's not difficult to set up. And that's what my book is all about, Business Gold. It's all about setting up a company page that you can then use to showcase and promote your products and your services and your people. Because, of course, your people are your biggest asset in business. And if you're able to use them to help amplify your message, you'll reach a greater audience. Now, LinkedIn has made it possible to use pages in a whole lot of different ways. And something that's just rolling out right at the moment is the ability to message a company page. Some company pages will already have this, and that means that people who want to find out more about the company can message the page directly, and somebody from the company can contact them. Up until now, the only way they've been able to do that is by direct message to a person. So LinkedIn is really putting in a lot of effort into pages and constantly adding new features to them. And that is just the latest.
That's awesome. So in the past, it was direct messaging, but now you're saying a company's page or a company could uh, message the individual directly, just the company and the individual. Is that correct?
It's not quite as simple as that. You have to have received a message from an individual first, but then the
Okay.
company can respond. Now, I don't know whether that's going to be the case all through, forever, or whether in the rollout period, Tyler, this is just how they're arranging it. Because at the moment, that's only available for companies with one admin on the page. Now, I've got several admins on my company page, for example, which means then that I can't use this particular feature. It's not available to me. So LinkedIn tends to change things. It'll roll it out, it'll test it for a while, and then it'll make some changes to it and then roll it out to a greater number of people. So I would like to see, yes, that company pages can message people directly, but we'll have to wait and see whether that's going to be possible.